One of my passions is to play video games, but my dad often says I spend too much time playing video games and not using my mind to think. So I decided to create my own video games. This still allows me to use my mind constructively and follow my passion. My dad prefers me to create video games over playing video games for the following reasons. The first reason is it allows me to use my imagination to come up with a video game idea. The second reason is it teaches me how to code. The final reason is it allows me to use my mind constructively as I create and code my own video game. My TED Talk will be about how I learned how to create my own video game in order to teach kids the same. I first started how to learn by watching YouTube videos. To gain more knowledge, my dad sent me to coding school named Code Ninjas, located right here in Ramsey. I attended Code Ninjas for many months. The process I used to develop my games is as follows. The first thing I use is my imagination to come up with a game idea. In the past, I've created mazes, flying games, and many random other ideas. Next, code with Roblox Studio, which they taught me at Code Ninjas. Finally, release the game to the public. The game I created is called Violet Star Obby. The purpose of the game is to complete the obstacle course in the fastest time. My record for completing the obstacle course is 15 seconds. You should play my game and see if you can beat my record. Most importantly, you should learn how to code and develop your own very cool game for your friends to play, because you use your imagination, you will learn how to code, and you will use your mind constructively. Thank you.